Hey, good morning guys. I know it's been a while. I've got tons of new mods on the QX70 that I want to run you through real quick. And yeah, let's check this out. It's gonna be awesome. All right, first things up here. You'll see that the whole ride's on jack stands. And that's for a very, very good reason. I went and did big brake upgrade kit on this with the two-piece rotors from Z1Motorsports, and we painted this in the 2M8 paint code, which is Porsche's acid green color, and it looks awesome. I did a two-faced kind of paint look on it, and it's acid green on the front, gloss black in the back. And I did that because the OEM one comes painted silver in the front and it's like a raw, unfinished metal in the back. So I thought that was just a really good look. And I wanted to keep that. And I think being painted this way is gonna really make it pop. And that once I get the new wheels on here, or my old wheels on here powder coated, it's gonna look dope. So these rotors are just sick, awesome, super high quality. They are 10 pounds lighter than stock. And that's gonna be 20 pounds of unsprung weight savings, saving myself all that rotational mass. I cannot wait to see how it feels, guys. The back is completely stock right now, other than the brake calipers here being redone. I'm getting the two-piece rotors from Z1Motorsports for the rear. However, I accidentally ordered the 370Z ones, which have a smaller parking brake, and it would not fit over the parking brake on this, so I have to exchange those. And a quick thing on the brakes too. I used the Akebono Pro ACT brake pads. These are the numbers you'll need for front and rear. I got sent 2 sets, lucky me. So yeah, that's on there. That's what's happened with that. And if you guys are wondering about the acid green, this is the kit I used. Super awesome. G2 Caliper Paint. This is the brush on kind, which if you look close, you'll see some imperfections and whatnot, but I think overall it looks awesome. Really happy with how it turned out. So yeah, check these guys out, G2 Caliper Paint. Their stuff is absolutely killer product, well worth the money. It's not like that cheap paint on stuff you find at AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, whatever, any of those places like that. It's just much better quality. So yeah, I'm super happy with how these brakes turned out. They look awesome. And yeah, like I said, I really can't wait to see how they feel. So the next thing up is I did get 2 sets of new tires. I'm going with Nokian. We got these Nokian G2s for my all season. I'm just gonna be running these throughout the year. And I got the R3s on order. Picked them up from Discount Tire. They will be here in a couple weeks, but the R3s will be for winter because we like to do a lot of snowboarding and skiing. So pretty stoked to try those out. Now this is really what I've been waiting on. I just got my wheels powder coated and they look hella awesome. I cannot wait to go get all this stuff mounted up. And this black is gonna really tie everything together that I've been trying to do on this car and black it out and then get that Stormtrooper look. I did the fog light bezels yesterday, which I think they look awesome in the sport trim. They just go with the grill much better. Everything is black, goes together really well. I just can't wait, guys. So we're gonna pack all this stuff up in the Jeep and get it out there. And yeah, this is gonna be sweet, guys. I cannot wait. Got the rest of these in here. It's looking good. So yeah, let's load it up and then we'll get this stuff mounted up. Boys are about to mount them up here. Gonna get it all road force balanced. And then hey, I don't know, I'll Uber XL back home or something, we'll see. All right guys, tires are on. The guys at Discount hooked it up, gave me a ride back home with the tires, which was super awesome. I'm gonna swing by the store and grab them some Bang because they want some energy drinks for the rest of their shift. So let me just show you what we got real quick. So we got these bad boys mounted up and they look awesome. I'm gonna start the car up, check the brakes because I just changed the pads out in the front, and then we're gonna head to the store and I'll get you guys some more shots of this.
Next level.
All right, sweet. I just picked up an assortment of Bang for these kids. Gonna take it on over. You probably want to see the car though. So yeah, I think it looks dope. It's not exactly what I expected, but it looks awesome. I wanted black wheels for a while now. Next level, All right guys, overall I'm super happy with how the brakes and the wheels turned out. Stoked. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna be doing the rear rotors soon and dropping off another 10 pounds. You can definitely feel it with the front rotors. With 20 pounds of unsprung mass off there, it is just incredible. So the Z1 Motorsports two-piece rotors are a win, guys. Definitely pick those up if you have an FX35, FX50, what have you. And yeah, guys, I got more mods coming up really soon. Gonna be doing the aero kit on the whole car. So let's catch up next week and we'll get to some of those installs. Hope you have an awesome weekend. Catch you soon. Peace out.